Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to make a candle at home. Firstly, fill a saucepan halfway with water and place your heat-safe bowl or glass measuring cup inside. This double boiler prevents the wax from burning. Now add the soy flakes or beeswax pellets to the bowl and turn heat to medium-high and bring the water to a gentle simmer. Let the wax melt completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Place your candle jars on a towel to protect the surface. Then dip the metal base of each wick into the hot wax. Then press it firmly to the bottom of your jar and use a cloth pen or pencil laid across the top of the jar to hold the wick straight and centered. Now carefully pour the melted wax into each jar and leave about a ½ inch of space at the top. Now once poured, you can add essential oils for natural scent, candle fragrance oils, or dried herbs or flower petals. Stir gently to mix the scent evenly. Now let the candle sit undistributed until completely solid, about 20 minutes to 1 hour, depending on size. Once the wax has hardened, trim the wick to about a ¼ inch above the wax surface. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.